Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the May and June, I believe, or June and July. I'm not sure which one, but it's for 2 months. The Chic beauty box. It's right here. And this is a $34.99 beauty subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products every other month. So it's June. So if this is the May-June box, you'll get the next one in July and August, or if it's the June-July box, you'll get the next one in August, September. Does that make sense? I do get this box sent to me for review, so we're gonna open it up and see what they have this month. Here we go. When you open up the box, it looks like this. Something just fell out. What just fell out? I don't know. I don't know what that was. All right, so let's see if there's a card. Oops. I don't see a card. I'll look up the prices and let you know what they are as we go on for each product. So the first product I am looking at is the Clarins Paris SOS Comfort Nourishing Balm Mask with Wild Mango Butter. It was open, so I mean, it's just a box, so as long as there's a safety seal on here, I'm good to go. I think Clarins is pretty pricey. So here it is. I love that color yellow. We've got a safety seal. Safety seal. Okay. So this is a face mask. Let's check and see what this is. Okay, so this retails for $34 and it says it's a nourishing balm mask. It nourishes for a nourishing 10-minute face mask for dry skin that softens, comforts, and renews radiance. Okay, so it's a face mask. This retails for $34. I do like the brand Clarins, so I am excited to get this, and I do love face masks. I like face masks like this rather than sheet masks. Okay, did you ever say the word masks? Sounds weird, right? Because usually when you say mask, it has the k at the end, but when you say masks, you have to have the S, and it's very strange. Okay, next thing is this, and this is the Milk Makeup Eye Pigment in the shade Rave. I think I've seen this at TJ Maxx, if I'm correct. Maybe it was at Marshall's. So we have this right here, and these retail for $12. Well, $12 to $24, but let's just say this is $12 because I wouldn't pay more than $12. Okay, so let's open this up and see what the shade is. We'll see what it looks like. I don't know what a squeezy tube. Oh, it's open. And it already looks like it's squeezed out. Because when I opened it up, it automatically squeezed onto my finger. So, okay. There's that. I don't mind getting products, but I do mind if it should have a safety seal and it doesn't. Like, I don't think I would put this on my eye, and I'm just being real. It's beautiful. It does smell like paint. I mean, that is really, really beautiful. But this wasn't, the container wasn't sealed. The container wasn't sealed, and then this wasn't sealed. So I wouldn't feel safe putting it on my eye. It's not like a powder, you know? Okay, so we got the eye pigment. It is a beautiful shade. I mean, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. The next thing is this, and this is the Power Matte Lip Pigment by NARS. I love NARS lipsticks. I'm super, super excited about this. And this is in the shade Paint It Black. Is this black? I've definitely seen these in TJ Maxx. Why would you send... Is it brown? Why would you send a black lipstick in the summer? Oh. Yeah, that's very black. So there it is. It's very liquidy. I don't know if I remember NARS lipsticks being liquidy, but let's shake it up and let's see how much this is. $26. Is that right? You can get it for $7.80. The regular price is $26, but you can get it for $7.60 on another website. But let's try it on. Why not, right? Why not? I haven't worn a black lipstick in 17 years. Actually, that's not true. I think I tried a black lipstick on for you guys. Now, it's not gonna go with my eye look because I went with my everyday brown eye look because I am not going anywhere. Okay, let's put this on. All right, so here I am. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. What do you guys think? Oh, yellow lips. I mean, yellow lips, yellow teeth. This is when you really think about getting a teeth whitening kit. Okay, next is the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Twinkle Twinkle Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. I have, why am I holding my phone? I have gotten this before from TJ Maxx. I think this is like a TJ Maxx box. I'm not mad at it. I haven't been there in a while. And this is the shade Honey Please. I actually think you can get these for like $4.99 at TJ Maxx, but let's see how much these are. Ulta Beauty sells these for $11. Yep, so these are sold for $11 at Ulta. Don't mind my nails. That's all I'm gonna say. So let's check out what this looks like. Did I actually show you the packaging? It's really cute. I really enjoy the Too Faced Tutti Frutti line. I have some beautiful highlighters and blushes that I love so much. Oh. So here's the doe foot applicator. Let me mix it around. I don't know. Okay, so it felt kind of dry. So here are the two swatches that I did. It's so pretty. It's so sparkly and pretty. I think it's really beautiful. So we have this. And the last but not least is this, and this is the Burgundy Bar by Maybelline. Oh, isn't this? I think this is their new palette, isn't it? Is this? Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. When did they come out with the Burgundy palette? Okay, so here is the Burgundy Bar palette by Maybelline. This retails for $11.99. You get a tiny little brush and a little doodad. And here are the shades. They're beautiful. Love these shades. I have a few of the Maybelline palettes. I have the matte bar where it's like, you know, orange and browns. I have their nude palette. I believe that, oh, wrong hand. I believe that's what it's called, like the nude. I forget. But I have a lot of palettes from them, and not a lot, but I do have quite a few palettes from Maybelline, and I do like them. I like them a lot. I think they're great. One of my first palettes that I ever fell in love with and I used all the time was a, I Revlon palette. It's like peachy and purple. It was beautiful, and I loved it so much. I wore it all the time when I first started my channel. Okay, so here are some of the shades. Really beautiful. And this is I'm really excited to get this palette because now I don't have to buy it. I'm just gonna swatch some of the shimmers. Wow, are there any? Not some of the shimmers. I'm gonna swatch some of the mattes, but there's only 2 mattes. I didn't realize that there was only 2 mattes and they're right there. So, okay. Why are there so many shimmers? I'm not gonna complain. I really like this palette. I'm very excited. For the month of May and June, we got the Tutti Frutti Too Faced Liquid Eyeshadow, the NARS Paint It Black Liquid Lip that's on my lips. It did not dry down. I feel really weird talking with that on because I feel like my teeth look like corn. We got the Makeup Eye Pigment in the shade Rave, which is absolutely beautiful. It did dry down, but since it didn't have a safety seal, I probably won't wear it. Just to be real, I'm weird like that. And then we got the Clarins SOS Comfort Mask, and we also got the Burgundy Bar Palette by Maybelline. I thought it was a good box. I've only gotten one other box from Chic Beauty Box, and I do like that they have name brands in here. I do think most of this stuff you can find at TJ Maxx or on sale somewhere, but I think that's part of the subscription box world. You never know what you're gonna get in your box, and I probably wouldn't have gone out and purchased Paint It Black or the Clarins mask or this, but I probably won't use it. But you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't have went out and purchased this, so it's nice to get some stuff that I would use and that I wouldn't have purchased. I probably would have purchased this because I am obsessed with drugstore products. Just who I am. The overall value of this box is $94.99, which you pay $34.99 for the box, and I think that that's a pretty good value. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you thought about this box. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you guys are doing really, really well. I missed you guys, and take care of yourselves. Be kind. I love you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hello, Masha. Hi. What are you doing? Say hello. Say hello, Masha. She's a good girl. Hey, Mash. Hey, Mash. See Mashy? Oh, no. What's wrong? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Huh?